You are going to love the 2025 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, speed control, electronic stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.